Alright, hello everybody. Time for another car wash video. Now, I'm up here in Portland, Maine for the week, and I figured I'd go check out what local car washes they have up here and get a video for you guys. And I happened to find this place. It's pretty close to the place that I'm staying. This is the Wash and Go here in Portland. So, today, we're going to check it out. So we're going to go ahead and drive on over there. It's nice that they have this big lot back here. Tell, but I'm using the family car today. Alright, let's see how we get in this place. It looks like both bays are empty, and it looks like we might have some interesting systems here. And there goes my camera. There we go. Alright. Doesn't look like there's anybody here, so I guess we'll just choose a bay. I'll go to the far one, why not? They both look the same. Alright, looks like we have some sort of Ryko system.
Click the button on the screen, or touch the Enter Code button to enter your code.
Alright, we're going to do a single wash.
Please make your selection.
Alright, of course you're going to get the top wash since we're recording a video.
Please insert payment now.
Let's see, does this place take cash? It does, it looks like it. Alright, let's see, I should have enough. I'm going to have to pay in 5 because I don't have a 20. I'd rather not be using cars in a place like this. Alright, come on, take my bill. It's got a crease in it, that's why. Let's try that. There we go.
Please add additional...
Yeah, I know. This thing's really impatient with me. You want to take my bill? Wants to take it. There it
Please
goes.
add additional payment now.
Right. One more.
Please wait while your transaction is being Thank you. Please pull forward.
All right, and the wash is ready.
Into the wash.
It's a radius. It's been a while since I've seen one of these things. Let's go ahead and put my change away here. All right, let's pull in and see what this wash has to offer. For $17. Big bump. All right, we got some blasters. God, there's so many bumps in here. All right, and we hit the sweet spot. This thing sounds like it's falling apart. So got our classic setup here with a single arm that does a 360-degree rotation around the car. Applying pre-soak. This thing's got a loud drive motor. This thing's in rough shape. Looks like it's making another pass. Very nice coverage. Here we go with a high pressure rinse. It's a little weak. Sounds like the power washer might be struggling. Did the job though. See if you can read that sign. It says high impact wash, in case you can't read it. Here we go with the tri-foam. Again, great coating. Another rinse. It says rinsing. See if that better pressure now. I wonder if the power washer just had to warm up. Alright, what are we doing? Is this a spot free already? Spraying out of the overhang. I guess not, because here we go with the wax. I can't get over how well this system's covering the car with all the cycles. Double pass, too. And here we go with the spot free. I'm gonna buckle up here because I don't have built-in dryers. Surface sealant. Guess we weren't done. This is a very thorough wash. Okay, this has to be the spot free now. This machine moves so fast. There we go, spot free rinse. Alright, now we will exit through the dryer. Ryko Slimline. This dryer's doing an okay job. That's all she wrote. So we're going to pull the car back into this lot over here and see how the wash actually did. Do apologize for the camera slipping all over the place because I didn't bring my tripod like I usually do. Left it back at home. All right, let's take a look at the results. Alright, so the dryers were mediocre at best, but other than that, I'm actually really impressed. For $17, not bad at all. I don't see a single speck anywhere, well, besides the water and this little thing, which I believe is just a permanent scratch. Yeah, it's a scratch. Alright, well this car wash definitely gets a pass from me. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and that'll be it.